Hello kids, learn some colors and shape name. Hexagon, heptagon, octagon. Let's start. Colors name: grey color, रेड कलर, ऑरेंज कलर। ये कलर कौन सा बच्चों? ये है पर्पल कलर, ग्रीन कलर, स्काई ब्लू कलर, पिंक कलर, ब्लू कलर, ब्लैक कलर, येलो कलर, पैरेट कलर and brown color. So let's start. If you learn this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Shape name: hexagon. Shape name: hexagon. Shape name: hexagon. Next shape: heptagon. Shape name: heptagon. Shape name: heptagon. Next shape: octagon. Shape name: octagon. Shape name: octagon. Next shape: star. Shape name: star. Shape name: star. Next shape: heart. Shape name: heart. Next shape: cross. Shape name: cross. Shape name: cross. Shape name: cross. Shape name: hexagon. Shape name: hexagon. Shape name: hexagon. Shape name: heptagon. Shape name: heptagon. Shape name: octagon. Shape name: octagon. Shape name: octagon. Shape name: star. Shape name: star. Shape name: heart. Shape name: heart. Shape name: cross. Shape name: cross. Let's revise. Shape name: hexagon, heptagon, octagon, star, heart and cross. If you learn this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Bye kids.